So if you look at all these vehicles behind me, there's one thing in common. None of them have winches. I'm a noob when it comes to winches. I even have these servo winches in my bin. I just don't install them. But when RC4 Drive said they had a new product that they wanted me to try, I said, okay, why not? If I can figure it out, anybody can. So the product is this. It's a new RC four-wheel drive winch controller, Warn. It's pretty cool, and what it does is it can control any of their winches through that controller box. So the package itself has this controller. It's very scale and a box, and that it's paired to, and then a lanyard. So super cool. And then they had me select any one of their winches. I think they have 4 or 5, and I said, hey, Land Rover Defender Boom Racing. It has a big metal bumper. I just had to drill the metal bumper. So installing it, you just got to figure out real estate, especially since I got such a big one. Had to get rid of where's my cage? My poor cage. The wiring is pretty slick. Just put the box somewhere. It's temporary here for now, and then it feeds off your main battery, 2-cell or 3-cell. Got the adapter plugs, and so here is the feeder plug. So clean install. I'm into that. It's the winch is outside the body, and then how you control it is this. So this is what they improved. I should talk about it, huh? Basically, they made it a lot more scale. You know, this is how the real one-to-one guys do it. Warn is a reputable brand. It has a switch, turn it on and off. The switch is tiny. You know, I would understand why they had a switch before, because, you know, it'll drain your battery if you leave it on, because it has a light. But what it's for is so you can store this in your pocket next to your transmitter, and if you hit it, because the buttons are big and easy to control, then you're not inadvertently crushing your winch or pulling your winch. So on off, which is good. And then here is the winch. So right there, really cool, really good power, and very, very efficient. Never had a failure, and up to 50 feet, they said. They had an old one of these, but it wasn't as scale, wasn't as trick. That one was only good to 10 feet, so this was 50 feet. We had no problems whatsoever, and we were filming, so had to get out of camera shot. But it was fun. My crew, they all wanted winches by the end of the day, because not only could I get myself unstuck, but I could also get my friends unstuck. And so it just opened up new lines. We didn't get too far because, you know, all these cliffs that we were looking at were instantly, you know, a playground again. So let me know in the comments what your experience is. What you think of winches? What you think of this product? And, you know, share some experiences that you have with these toys. And, I mean, you know, me and the gang can play some more. Thanks a ton, guys.